Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Spocket with Shopify for dropshipping. If you're looking to streamline your e-commerce operations and find reliable suppliers for your dropshipping business, adding Spocket to your Shopify store is a great move. So, let's dive into the process and get you up and running in no time. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. This way, you'll never miss any of my future tutorials. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account, and you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is essentially your command center. From here, look towards the left panel of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with various options. You're going to want to click on Apps. This section is where you can browse and manage all the applications that connect to your Shopify store to enhance its functionality. Once you're in the App section, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Spocket to find the application. Spocket is a popular choice among dropshippers because it connects you with suppliers primarily from the US and Europe, helping you offer faster shipping times to your customers. Plus, it allows you to focus on building your business without worrying too much about product sourcing and fulfillment. That's one of the reasons why Spocket stands out from other apps. After typing in the name, you should see Spocket pop up in the search results. Click on it to access its dedicated app page. On Spocket's app page, you'll find detailed information about what the app offers, including its features and reviews from other users. Take your time to read through these reviews. It's always helpful to see what other entrepreneurs are saying before committing to an app. When you're ready to proceed, look for the Install button on the page. Clicking this button will add Spocket to your Shopify store. Installing the app is a straightforward process, but take comfort in knowing that you are adding a highly valuable tool to your dropshipping arsenal. Now that you've clicked Install, you automatically be redirected to Spocket's website. This is where you'll complete the setup process. The website will guide you through setting up your account and customizing your store preferences within Spocket. The platform will prompt you to enter necessary details, such as the products you're interested in sourcing and any specific requirements you have. Take note of any customization options available, especially if you're planning to create a brand identity. Once you've completed the setup, you'll have access to a wide array of inventory options, ready to be imported into your Shopify store. This is where the real fun begins, choosing products that resonate with your target audience and adding them to your store. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Spocket with Shopify. By integrating this app into your e-commerce strategy, you're poised to offer an impressive variety of products with efficient shipping times to your customers. One of the best things about Spocket is that you can also customize product details and set your preferred pricing. You can mark up the products as you like and even change product descriptions to better fit your branding. Take some time to explore Spocket's features, like product customization and order fulfillment automation, which can save you time and add value to your business. For example, the automated order fulfillment feature means that when a customer places an order, Spocket automatically sends the order to the supplier for you. No manual work required. You now have a powerful tool at your disposal that will help grow your dropshipping business efficiently. And if you're not familiar with dropshipping, it's a great way to run a business without needing to stock products, as suppliers ship directly to your customers. And that's all there is to it. You're now equipped to start sourcing products and managing orders effectively. Remember, it's important to test different products and suppliers to find what works best for your store. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to help grow your business. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how Spocket is working for your store.